This is Earth. Maybe you've heard of it. I sure hope so, because you live on one of its 7 continents. The largest of all the continents is Asia. Asia makes up 1/3 of all the land on Earth. You'll experience all types of weather if you travel here. But it's also home to humans. Over 4 billion of them. That's right, that's a billion with a B. Asia has more people than all of the other continents combined. Of the 10 largest cities in the world, Asia has 7 of them. From western Turkey to the eastern tip of Russia, the largest continent spans nearly half the world. It's filled with some of the most unique sights, beautiful landscapes, and amazing wildlife that can only be found in Asia. If you love history, then buckle up for a trip to Europe, the birthplace of some of the most famous civilizations ever. Check out the Colosseum in Rome, Italy. It's the biggest amphitheater in the world, made of stone and concrete, and built almost 2,000 years ago. In the 6th century in Athens, Greece, amazing artistic theaters and temples were built. Europe is full of incredible sights and fascinating cultures. No wonder the most visited continent on Earth is, you guessed it, Europe. Africa. Africa is home to the largest desert in the world, the Sahara. It's massive. A little ways south of the Sahara is the Congo rainforest. It's the 2nd largest rainforest in the world. Let's take a quick trip to the African savanna to check out all the wildlife. Zebras, elephants, giraffes, and gazelles all graze off the land in large herds for safety, because these herbivores live alongside predators. The big cats aren't the only carnivores in town. Crocodiles roam near the banks of the shore. One of the oldest civilizations on Earth began in Africa, in ancient Egypt to be exact, dating back over 5,000 years. Today, there are over 1 billion people living on the continent of Africa, in 56 different countries, speaking over 1,500 languages, living in large cities and small villages. All are residents of the 2nd largest continent on Earth, Africa. Some of the most diverse habitats can be found in North America. From the Aleutian Islands to the Isthmus of Panama, North America is made up of 23 countries and is the 3rd largest continent in the world. There are so many awesome places to visit in North America, like the Grand Canyon in the United States, Chichen Itza in Mexico, and Niagara Falls in Canada and the United States. With environments and wildlife as diverse as its population, there's no place quite as unique as North America. Then take a look at South America. It's home to the largest rainforest in the world, the Amazon rainforest. It covers over 2 million square miles. That's a lot of trees. The largest country in South America is Brazil. It covers almost half of the continent. One of the smallest countries in South America is Ecuador, full of wildlife, natural wonders, and culture. There's no place quite as extraordinary as South America. You better bundle up, because we're headed to Antarctica. It's the 5th largest continent, and it's full of snow and ice. Antarctica is a cold and icy place, making it the perfect home for wildlife. Vegetation like lichen, moss, and algae have adapted to life above the ice, along with a few different types of seabirds, including one of the most popular in Antarctica, the penguin. And below the ice are some of the most amazing and diverse marine wildlife on the planet, including seals, octopus, and whale. Australia. Ready to camp out underneath the stars in the Australian outback? On clear nights, you can see almost 3,000 stars. Want to take a dip in the ocean? There are over 1,500 species of fish that live in the Great Barrier Reef, located in the Pacific Ocean, the largest coral reef in the world. Another natural wonder can be found in the heart of the continent, Uluru, a sacred rock formation that stands 1,100 feet tall. And of course, there are some incredible animals in Australia, like kangaroos and emus that live on the coast, and the cute marsupials like koalas and wombats, and unique animals like the platypus and camels.